In this guide video, I'll show you how to change name and username on Twitter. To do it so, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. So first of all, you want to make sure that the application is completely updated and you want to go ahead and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, then it's going to take you to this page. So click the profile initials from the top left hand side and go to profile from a main menu page. While you're on this page, you want to click on edit profile, and first of all you have the name, right? So there you want to go ahead and erase it and replace it with something else, after which you want to scroll down a bit and then click on the save button. So now in order to change your @ username, you want to go ahead and exit out of this page, click on the initials from a left hand side bar, and you want to go to settings and support and go to settings and privacy. While you're on this section, you want to go to your account and then you want to go to account information. And as you could go to this page, you could see your username. Now then you could go ahead and make changes with your username just like that and click on the done button. And if you're sure about it, you want to click on the done and you've successfully changed your name. So that is how you could change your name as well as @ username. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.